Alright, so today is the day we're going to finish up the pit bike. Well, at least hopefully. Well, I still do some things to it because the tires are flat. Now, I remember last time Alpha said the tire tube keeps popping and everything. So, I don't know about that. First, we're going to finish up installing the whole thing. I got everything for it now, and we're going to start doing that. So, these are the parts that I have have this. Now, it does have the studs, as you can see, but really I just need this part, as you can see. However, I'm just got this just in case if I need to replace them, you never know. And then if I get the gaskets for the intake cart. So yeah. So we can just install that real quick, and yeah. But of course, we got first to do the carburetor. Clean the carburetor. I have all the parts in there. We're going to clean it out. So we're going to do that. Alright, so I got it all cleaned up and everything. Now, I didn't show much because I don't really have a stand for this to make it look a good angle for anything. However, what I did is I got, use this all-purpose cleaner, or you get like a specifically carb cleaner, doesn't really matter. And what you can do is get a piece of wire like this and basically kind of shove into the holes up everywhere. And yeah, that's how you clean them. And then you get the football on and everything. So, and then, last but not least, time to put this on. And yeah, that's about it for this carb. So, good news and bad news. The bad news is to put the carburetor into place, to put in the holes right here, or like on the engine, like this. I forgot the screws to put right here. However, the good news is that for the exhaust thing, it works with this actually. So this is going to be like a temporary thing, just like that. So yeah. So I'm just going to put it like this and hopefully it works. Let's see this. Oh, look at that. It works. As you can see. Now I just need to bolt it down with some sort of bolt. And really, that's about it. Take this out of the way. Oh wow. A little funky angle, but that's a fight. That's okay. I might switch it over, but we'll see what happens. Alright, so I can't seem to get this part in correctly. Like every time I try to do so, it just doesn't really work. I don't know what's up. But I'm just gonna move on. And we're gonna do. Really what we're going to do is get the mortar mount, or get this piece in right, because the swing arm is blocking it. So I need to loosen this so I can slide this all the way in. Alright, so the update is that I want to kill myself so badly right now. Like, I've been working with this for like a few hours. So I got the swing arm off, and I thought I was going straight back. And I thought it was going to work out, but no. I've just been having such a hard time, especially it's just me alone. I don't have like a proper jack. I'm just using this and everything I could. And right now the bike is on a jack stand right now. So this is like very irritating for me. So yeah, everything is not going as planned. But I did put this on though, the foot pegs, and then the foot pegs also has the kickstand on, so it'll be a little easier for me, hopefully. So yeah, that's it so far. I don't know, I might give up right today and just continue on another time. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Alright, so finally got the engine back on, kinda. However, yeah, the bolt's not all the way through, as you can see. You can't really see that. But yeah, the bolt's not all the way through like this one is. So, now I'm going to call it quits for here for now, and then I get back to it another day. However, there's some good news. We got the carburetor on, kinda, and then we got this on. Yeah, so it's kind of like we look back around with only 2 improvements, which is not a big deal. Oh well, I don't know. I think I need to call him for some friends to help me. I don't know. I don't have any friends. But yeah, catch y'all later. Bye bye.